Okay, in this video I'm gonna share with you how to add a space any video, how you can add your CapCut. So tap on CapCut and new project, click on there. এখানে here you are seeing a space option, middle option. So I have added a video. You are seeing right now. So and I have already added two photo. It's kind of like Google Drive. So for adding, you need to go. Okay, I'm trying to. Okay, for adding, you can use that on your video. So like I'm adding photo. So yeah, something like that. So if I go there, so yeah, you can add something like that. So and a lot more new feature they are added recently. Here is a AI product shot. So it's so easy to do, like that. Edit, remove background, allow. You can easily remove your background. It's so easy to do. So okay, that you see how expert is this AI tool. And it's free. AI enhance, I don't know what happened with that. So free AI enhance. So let's say what happened. So it's time wasting thing. If you add something, you can add here. So network error, not the problem. So I'm trying again that. So nothing happened. AI background, AI background here. Okay, exporting done. If I go back here, it's photo, man. Okay, photo. If you want to remove your video, remove your video background, you can able